TMG has the ability to shift how your body processes fat through 4 different mechanisms. I've talked a little bit about this ingredient on my channel, but I've only kind of just shared half the story. And I'm excited because I haven't been able to get into specifics until now. And I'm going to tell you what you need to know and what nobody else is telling you. How TMG can help you lose fat while preserving muscle. Yes, I'm talking about total body recomposition. I'm going to break it down into what it is, how it works, what it does, the dosing, and more importantly, how long does it take for you to see results if you start using it. So without taking up too much of your time, let's dive into this. So TMG was first discovered in the 1860s by a German chemist. He initially identified it in sugar beet plants, but it also is found naturally in small amounts in beets, spinach, whole grains, and seafood. Our bodies naturally produce TMG when it breaks down choline. However, the conversion of choline to TMG is limited, meaning your body doesn't produce enough on its own to unlock its full potential. This ingredient is special because it serves 2 main purposes or roles within the body. One of them is methylation support, which regulates metabolism, detoxification, and DNA function by donating methyl groups, which are essential for cellular processes. In simple terms, methylation is like your body's on-off switch for important functions. It happens when your body adds a tiny molecule called a methyl group to DNA, proteins, and other substances to help them work properly. Think of it like a car key. Your car won't run until you turn the key, just like certain processes in your body won't work until methylation switches them on. This process helps control which genes turn on or off, helping your body get rid of toxins, keeping your energy levels up, supporting brain function and brain health, and even helping repair your DNA. Taking supplements like TMG and methylated B vitamins can help keep everything running and working like it should. This process is crucial for making neurotransmitters in the brain, processing and detoxifying substances within the liver, controlling gene activity, and supporting heart health by lowering homocysteine levels. Think of it like a conductor in an orchestra, making sure all the parts of your body work together in perfect harmony. Then there's osmoregulation. This keeps your cells hydrated, allowing them to function efficiently, especially during exercise. Osmoregulation is your body's way of maintaining the right balance of salt and water across cell membranes. This is crucial because if osmoregulation fails and your body loses too much water, dehydration can occur, leading to high concentration of nutrients and waste inside cells. If this happens, cellular processes slow down or even stop, which, if severe enough, can cause serious health problems and even life-threatening diseases. Think of osmoregulation as your body's hydration regulator. It ensures you have just enough or the right amount of water inside cells, not too much and not too little, keeping everything functioning properly, helping to keep blood pressure stable, preventing dehydration or bloating, helping your cells work properly, and keeping your muscles and nerves functioning efficiently. While a lot of people already use TMG for muscle performance, they're unaware of its ability to support fat loss in a completely different way than most weight loss supplements. It doesn't just increase calories burned or suppress your appetite. It fundamentally shifts how your body processes fat through 4 main mechanisms. First off, it increases fat oxidation. It activates a key metabolic switch called PPAR alpha, telling your body to burn stored fat for energy instead of carbs. Second, it preserves lean muscle. TMG stimulates mTOR, a major pathway towards muscle growth. More muscle equals a faster metabolism, which means you burn more calories even at rest. Third, it improves insulin sensitivity by stimulating IGF-1. When your insulin levels are stable, your body is less likely to store fat and more likely to use it as fuel. And fourth, it enhances cellular hydration. This might not sound like a big deal, but when your cells are hydrated, they perform better, recover faster, and burn more calories in the process. So rather than forcing your body to drop weight quickly, like a stimulant-based fat burner, TMG works gradually, reprogramming how your body uses and stores fat over time. This means it supports long-term metabolic changes rather than just providing a temporary fix. And research backs this up. A 2019 systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials examined TMG's effects on metabolism and fat utilization. And if you're not familiar with the meta-analysis, it's essentially a study that compiles and analyzes multiple studies to identify overall trends and results, making the findings more reliable. In this case, researchers reviewed 6 human trials and found that betaine supplementation led to an average fat loss of 5.5 pounds with a 2.4% reduction in body fat percentage. These results happened over a period of about 6 to 12 weeks, showing that TMG works gradually by shifting your body's metabolic processes. Interestingly, the studies found no significant change in body weight or BMI, meaning participants were losing fat while maintaining lean muscle, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to get lean. Rather than just dropping weight on the scale, TMG supported better body composition by preserving muscle mass. The effects were even more impressive when TMG was combined with resistance training. In these studies, some participants not only lost fat by actually gaining lean muscle, proving that TMG isn't just a weight loss supplement, it's a powerful body recomposition tool. Now, before we dive into the dosing and timing, there's one important thing to note. The studies didn't detail the participants' diets. So we don't know how factors like caloric intake, protein intake, or macronutrient ratios may have influenced the results. However, from my own experience, betaine has helped me personally to maintain a decent physique even when my diet wasn't perfect. But where it really shines was when my diet was on and my exercise was all dialed in. Now, when it comes to dosing, studies show that the ideal amount for fat loss ranges between 2.5 to 6 grams per day. Now, if you're just starting out and using it for general metabolism support, 2.5 to 4 grams is plenty. But if you're training hard and you want to maximize both fat loss and performance, increasing it to 5 to 6 grams can be beneficial. I've actually witnessed it myself. When taking TMG, timing is not a make or break factor, but many people prefer taking it pre-workout to boost performance or post-workout with a meal to actually aid in the absorption. Ultimately, consistency is key. TMG isn't a quick fix magic pill. It works gradually over time, delivering the best results with regular use. Individuals usually see results when it comes to fat loss, I'd say between 6 to 12 weeks of consistent use. With better endurance, the strength kicks in probably 2 to 3 weeks in. Hydration and recovery benefits start almost immediately, especially if you're training hard. And when it comes to safety, TMG is generally safe, but at high dosages above 6 grams, some people report mild stomach discomfort and or bloating. This is why I recommend splitting your dose into 2 servings per day to optimize absorption and the effectiveness. In my personal opinion, TMG is very beneficial for 3 key groups. First group would be anyone looking to lose fat without losing muscle, because TMG shines in body recomposition, meaning you burn fat while keeping or even gaining lean muscle. It's freaking awesome. Second group would be athletes and gym goers. TMG enhances endurance, hydration, and power output, making it a great performance aid. This is why you find it in a lot of pre-workouts. And the third group would be people struggling with insulin resistant or metabolic issues like myself. I'm a type 1 diabetic. This is because it's shown to help with blood sugar regulation. And from personal experience, it does. It may be especially useful for people looking to optimize their metabolic health. And one final note, TMG is one of the most promising science-backed supplements for fat loss. This study and other studies prove it. Also for muscle gain, it's a great addition to a supplement regimen. It helps muscle preservation. It helps with metabolic health, helps you lose fat over a period of time. This is not a magic pill. And unlike other stimulants or fad weight loss supplements, with consistency and a solid diet, it works at a cellular level, shifting your metabolism over time. So if you found this video helpful, then you might want to check out this one. This is Dave. Stay strong, stay healthy, be informed, not influenced, and I'll see you guys next time on the channel.